Good morning. Let's understand the top cues today. First cue which came in over the weekend was the BJP big win in Maharashtra, which could actually see a lot of infra reality and a lot of Maharashtra-specific stocks surging in trade today. We'll come down to that list. But then coming on to the first cue, US saw a strong closing last week. Also, they advanced with the gains only on that last week only. But then talking about FI's positioning in India, FIs did sell off on Friday, but then the quantum was smaller. 1290 crore is thought what they sold off on Friday, and now with that they've added some long contracts also on the index future. And with this, their long positioning on index future stands at more than 30%, which is the first time in the November month. So there is some improvement in the sentiment coming in from FIs also. Second, now of course the BJP's big win in Maharashtra, it can push a lot of infra stocks, reality stocks. A lot of brokerages have come up with many of the stocks that could actually see a good surge, or maybe they could see momentum coming in those stocks. Some of the stocks could be PNC Infra, HT Infra, Ashoka Buildcon, a lot of reality and infra stocks, Oberoi Realty, Godrej Property, Lodha, Raymond's, Bharat Forge, and even a lot of capital goods stocks also. So keep an eye on these particular set of stocks. Moving on, Zomato. Shareholders have approved a 8,500 crore QIP. This announcement came earlier. Now the board has given a approval to it. Along with that, there's one more positive news for Zomato, that it has replaced JSW Steel in Sensex. This could help lift the momentum for Zomato. Moving on, there were a few more stocks which can be in action because of the rejig in Sensex. So the stocks which are getting added in Sensex are Zomato. Apart from that is Jio Finance, HAL. Whereas on the flip side, HDFC Life, BPCL, LTI, Mindtree, they will be deleted from Sensex. So there could be some action here. Now, IGL has taken a price hike post the APM allocation cut, but then the hike has been announced only in few locations, and these locations are other than Delhi. Now, Delhi accounts for 70% of the volume of IGL. So the gains could be offset with this news, and the price hike which they've taken in a band of 1.5 to 4 rupees per kg, whereas the required hike was around about 5 rupees per kg post the APM allocation cut. So the positive news, but this can get offset because the required allocation, the required hike is lesser, as well as the location where the maximum volume comes in for the company. There the hike has not been taken. Lastly, keep a watch on few of the pharma stocks. Aurobindo Pharma, they've signed a deal. So there could be a positive momentum in the stock. Whereas Alembic Pharma, they've received an observation from US FDA. This could trade with a little bit pressure today.